My name is Mark Maley, and I'm running for the school board this year because it's the most important election in the history of our community. The events in Madison in the last 30 days have caused everyone to rethink what public education is going to be in the future, how we're going to fund it, what's going to remain, what's going to go, and what's going to happen to the education of our kids in the process. I have two daughters who attended 12 years of public school education here in West Bend. One currently takes care of all the operations for sales and marketing in London for Nike, and the other just recently got her counseling degree and works for the homeless in St. Paul. I have two completely divergent personalities there. That's what the school district is all about. One of the things that's going to happen in the next 3 years is that we are going to have to make program cuts, personnel cuts, and eventually cuts that are going to directly affect the educational opportunities that our school district has. We need people of responsibility who've had issues like this in front of them in the past. In my particular case, as a businessman who started two different businesses in the community, both thriving, and also someone who has been involved in service work, both with the church, Emmanuel United Church of Christ in West Bend, where we balanced the budget in 1992 and took care of a $150,000 issue with the regional office. In 1984, my board and I took over the Council on Alcohol and Drug Abuse when there was a $500,000 shortfall. Basically fired the accountant, fired the general manager, and took over and ran the business for a year. It's thriving today. And finally, in 2007, my board and I started the West Bend Public School Foundation. We've raised over $1 million and been able to provide the district with things like a high school floor, a PE center that all the students can use, a grand piano for the arts area, and also auditory devices for the classroom. So as classroom sizes increase, teachers can be heard in the back of the room. This election is about competence. It's about putting people in place who have life experiences that will allow them to make good decisions both in the long and the short term. I have the communication skills and also the business acumen and an assertiveness that will allow me to represent both the taxpayers and the students in the coming years. I ask for your vote.